Hi guys, I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. This is my Cinco de Mayo rice, my technique, my recipe. If you guys want to know how to make this, keep watching. I have a secret ingredient. I use V8 juice is one of the secret ingredients, and this can come together in under 30 minutes. It's not a long grain cooking rice, so I have another shortcut to show you, but keep watching. Here are the ingredients for Jen's Cinco de Mayo rice. Now, by all means, I'm not calling it Spanish or Mexican on purpose because I don't want to offend anyone. I don't know if it's Spanish or Mexican, but I've been eating it since I was a child, and this is my take on it. And I got a sneaky trick on how to get some vegetables into your family. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna use, this is 1 1/3 cups of rice. It is minute rice. I have a little bit of butter. Now, if you don't use minute rice, everybody uses long grain, but everyone knows the ratio is 2 to 1. 2 cups of liquid to 2 cups of rice. That's 1 1/3, but it's minute rice, so it's equal. So I'm gonna use V8 juice that has extra vegetables in it, supposedly 8 of them, and I'm gonna use beef broth. You can use chicken, vegetable, water, any kind of broth you like. I'm gonna use some tomato paste. I have a shallot. You can use an onion, red, yellow, or white, whatever your preference is. In my cheaters, I'm going to use some 25% less sodium taco seasoning. That way I don't have to do cumin, curry powder, oregano, all the spices that go in chili seasoning. So I'm going to get everything set up, show you how to make this in less than 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, and let me put you on pause. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, to get started, I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. So I don't want this oily. And I'm going to use about a dab or 2 of butter. And this is just to saute my shallot. I did about a half a shallot because it's not much rice. Like I said, it's just a cup and a third, and it's just for my girlfriend and myself. I got this on pretty high. Let me put this down. And to sweat your onions, you can use a little bit of salt. That helps bring out the moisture. I'm gonna just be cooking, and then I'm gonna add my cup and third of rice. And remember, this is minute rice. It is not long grain cooking rice. This doesn't cook for 20 minutes. This only cooks for 5. But this is the only authentic part of my recipe, is you're supposed to, according to my research, toast the rice before you make your Spanish or Mexican rice. So that's what I'm doing. I'm toasting this. I'll do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Brings out nutty flavor, supposedly, probably even more in regular rice because minute rice has been treated to cook faster. Okay, while I'm browning my rice, toasting my rice, I'm going to put another eye on, and to this I'm going to add the V8 juice. And this is 1 1/3 cups of rice, so you want 1 1/3 cups of liquid. And that's the V8 juice. And here's the beef broth. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of beef broth. I like to say you can use any broth you like. I'm just going with beef because we're having tacos and they're beef. I'm going to pour that in. Now for minute rice, remember it has to come to a boil. And now I'm going to add my taco seasoning. 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. I'm going to add that to the broth. Stir that around. Now that has to come to a boil. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I'm going to add some tomato paste. So you want to put, doesn't have to be a lot. This just enhances the tomato flavor. But you definitely want to cook it like I'm doing to get the rawness out of it. Brings out the flavor of tomato paste when you add heat to it instead of just adding it to a liquid. So I'm going to saute this for a little while and let it continue to toast until my V8 juice and beef broth come to boil. You guys really love this recipe. It's different. Like I said, if you want to sneak some vegetables in on your family, who would know? V8 juice already has a lot of spices and they make Bloody Marys out of them. I think they're really, V8 juice is pretty tasty and without the alcohol. So I thought it would be a new twist. And like I said, add some more vegetables and nutrition to this. I love Mexican Spanish rice. You guys have a real authentic recipe that's easy and quick. Please let me know down below, because you know my channel is all about quick, fast, easy meals. And I would love to know the correct term of what to call this, because like I said, I don't want to offend anybody by saying it's Spanish rice and it's Mexican rice, and Mexican rice is Spanish rice, and vice versa. As you see, it has come to a boil. So I've transferred my rice onto a paper plate, trying not to spill most of it, which I'm doing. Hang on a second. Here we go, guys, a little smarter move. Bend the plate. The way I can get that entirely in there.
Okay guys, here's my joke. An artist asked the gallery owner if there had been any interest in his paintings on display at the time. I have good news and bad news, the owner replied. The good news is that a gentleman inquired about your work and wondered if it would appreciate in value after your death. When I told him it would, he bought all 15 of your paintings. That's wonderful, the artist exclaimed. What's the bad news? The guy was your doctor. That is just downright awful and sneaky. But anyway, you know I'm a nurse, so I get a kick out of medical jokes. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment. I respond to each and every comment. Give this rice a try. It's my take on, like I said, Mexican style rice, Spanish rice. I'm just calling it Cinco de Mayo rice. Check it for seasoning and flavor. You can add more taco seasoning if you like. I like it to have a mild flavor. That's why I'll only added 2 tablespoons. And you can definitely use long grain rice. Just remember it cooks for 20 minutes and it's 2 to 1 part rice, 2 parts liquid. I think I might have messed that up in the video when I was explaining that. I use minute rice. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. And definitely the V8 juice gives it extra flavor with all the, it's got vinegar and all kinds of spices in the V8 juice. Plus it's supposed to have 8 vegetables. That's why it's V8 juice. And a little bit of tomato paste gives it a thickness. If you don't have tomato paste, don't worry, you can use tomato sauce, which most people do. And you can definitely omit or add onions. I used shallot because that's what I had, but you definitely, for the authentic version, you must toast the rice. So that's as authentic as I could get. But everything else is my take on Cinco de Mayo rice. So I hope to see you guys on the next one. Give this a try at your next Mexican cookout, or you're having Mexican food, you need to stretch it and you're in a hurry, try minute rice. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I hope to see you on the next one.